Hello fam, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. Today we're making easy Ghanaian raw cake or raw buns recipe. You're going to love this. It's super easy and trust me, you're going to love the entire process as well. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin, we're going to start by cracking 2 eggs into my mixing bowl. Kindly use 3 or 4 for this recipe and you are good to go. Now let's whisk the eggs a little bit, and once that is done, I'll proceed to go in with some sugar, which is half cup of sugar. Kindly adjust everything to your taste, okay? Moving forward, I also go in with some fresh whole milk. You can also use evaporated milk for this recipe and you are good to go. Moving forward, I also go in with some banana powdered flavor. Kindly also use vanilla essence or any other flavor of your choice. Now let's mix everything together very nicely until everything is nice and well combined. And once that is done, we're going to set this aside and proceed to our next stage. So into my mixing bowl, I'll go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Kindly also use self-raising flour or self-rising flour for this recipe and you are good to go. Now moving forward, I also go in with nutmeg, baking powder, and also some salt to taste. Kindly adjust everything to your taste, okay? Now let's stir everything together very nicely until everything is nice and well incorporated. And once that is done, I also go in with 1/4 cup of margarine. You can also use butter if that is what you have, okay? Now we're going to go in with a clean hands and we're going to mix everything together very nicely until all is nice and well incorporated. And once that is done, we will proceed by adding in our liquid solution. And trust me, the addition of the powdered banana flavor took this rock buns taste to another level. Trust me, it is amazing. I hope you give this recipe a try and you're going to love it, trust me. So now we're going to stir everything together very nicely until it combines beautifully. At this point, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after mixing everything together, I added in a little bit of oats. Kindly also omit the oats totally, but trust me, it was the best decision ever. Try adding oats to your rock buns recipe and trust me, you're going to love the end results. Now all that is left is for us to brush our baking pans with some cooking oil, butter or margarine. Trust me, you can also use just flour to dust your pans and you are good to go. The motive is that we want our cake or our raw cake to really comes out very easily after baking it, okay? So now we're going to put everything into our baking pan and we're going to proceed by baking this under 120 degrees Celsius for almost 30 to 40 minutes and it should be ready. Yeah, it's super easy and trust me, it turned out really amazing as well. Just look at the outcome. It looks super inviting. And so on this note, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing recipes like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so let's see how this goodies looks like. It looks very soft inside and also the outside looks very crispy. Trust me, it is amazing as well. All you have to do is to trust the process and you're going to love it. At this point, let me also know in the comment section what you think about this super easy Ghana rock buns recipe. I hope you're going to try out this recipe and you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family? Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.